This video demonstrates how to use the SNOOZE Mode Sequencer of RL78 G23 to build a power supply monitoring system in eSquare Studio. There are 3 videos. This video shows part 1, create the project. In eSquare Studio, select Help, add Renesas tool chains. Enable Renesas SMS assembler. Open the new C++ project dialog. Select Renesas RL78, Renesas CC RLCC++ executable project. Enter the project name and click Next. Set the toolchain settings. Select the target device as R7F100GLGXFB. Create hardware debug configuration for COM port, RL78. Select Use Smart Configurator, then click Finish. Project is created successfully. The demo application will use these components. In Smart Configurator, select the Components tab. Click Add Component button. Select SNOOZE Mode Sequencer in Component List and click Finish. Repeat the same steps to add Ports component. Continue to add the Interval Timer component. Select Operating Mode as 16-bit count mode and select Resource as ITL000, ITL001. Click Finish. Add another interval timer. Select Operating Mode as 16-bit count mode, and select Resource as TAU07. Next, add the Interrupt Controller component to the project. Continue to add the AD Converter component. Finally, add the Voltage Detector component. Select Resource as LVD0 and click Finish.